Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And I do want to make one little adjustment now that we have more data. And in the near term, it seems as though that the more accurate area of support is going to be down there around $6.50. But also just, to keep things, really just transparent and not to beat around the bush and just to keep it honest, not really a great sign when levels of support need to be adjusted to the downside. Now, if I'm adjusting quote-unquote levels of support upwards, hey, that's a great sign of strength. But here, when I'm adjusting them downwards, that's pretty much a bearish sign. Now, that doesn't mean that this thing's getting ready to collapse. My point is that normally speaking, assuming you're long and bullish, you want to see levels of support getting adjusted upwards and upwards and upwards, which was not the case here. But again, to be fair, that's also not a way of saying, therefore, this thing is headed down to $5 tomorrow. That's not what I'm saying at all. But I did want to make that up because, I'm well aware that I did just kind of move the green line, even though I talked about the green line in a different location yesterday. But the point is, again, now that we have more data, things just need to be kind of updated in that situation. So right now, 650 seems to be a very stubborn area of support. The bears went down there, but the bulls were just not having any of it. So that is definitely a very important level of support going forward. In the event that 650 does not ultimately hold up, the next key level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching and wondering about is right down there at the 644, 645 mark. So again, going into Thursday, 650, definitely that ideal level, ideal for the reason that the price was able to hold above it there. So if the price were to go back down there, then of course you'd want to see it hold, maybe get some sort of double bottom pattern before the price can work its way back upwards. Preferably speaking, not even test it, but if it does, definitely want to see that hold. But if it doesn't, then the next key level down there at 645. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key priority now is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 668. But remember, that's a moving average, so that value is going to change as Thursday and Friday play out. So watch that level in the event the price can push through the 50-period. Then the next key overarching level is that red line up there, which is currently valued at 675. So keep an eye on those technical areas. But as of right now, things are definitely still looking shady, looking a little bit sketchy, but the price is trying its best to bottom out here, so we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.